कुछ लोगों के लिए सक्सेस एकदम ऑटोमेटिक फील करती है. सेम कंट्री, सेम इकोनॉमी, same 24 hours. You have a few good days or weeks and then something happens. What does my physical space feel like when I'm making money decisions? And in this video, I want to show you the difference between manual success and automatic success. कुछ लोगों के लिए सक्सेस एकदम ऑटोमेटिक फील करती है. They show up, they do their thing, and somehow money, opportunities, supports, all of these just keep flowing to them. लेकिन कुछ और लोगों के लिए सक्सेस ऐसे फील होती है जैसे इतना बड़ा वजन अपने कंधों पे उठा रहे हैं. सेम कंट्री, सेम इकोनॉमी, सेम 24 hours. The difference is not talent. The difference is their operating system. The invisible rules, beliefs, emotions, and rituals that run in the background. And in this video, I want to show you the difference between manual success and automatic success, especially with money. And by the end, I'll guide you through a tiny reset जो आप रोज कर सकते हैं beginning today so that you start moving from pushing to flowing. You know, manual mode just sounds like I just need more willpower. From Monday, I'm going to be disciplined. This time, I won't mess up. मतलब आप rely करते हैं किस पे? आपके willpower पे, आपके motivation पे, आपके gut के ऊपर. You have a few good days or weeks and then something happens. You're tired, you're stressed, you're traveling, someone says something and suddenly the new habit just disappears. You stop your gym routine, you stop your money tracking, you stop your study time, you stop all of it, and then comes the manual success cycle. You push hard with willpower, once again, you burn out, you break the habit, you judge yourself, you start again with even more pressure. You know, if this sounds familiar, just say the word me silently in your mind right now. Now, how does this entire thing show up with money? पैसों के साथ ये पूरा कैसे दिखता है? मैनुअल मनी मोड जिसे हम कहते हैं वो कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. आप अपने आप को फोर्स करते हो to follow a strict budget for a few weeks. You're good at it. आप successful भी होते हो. You know, you restrict every expense. You feel proud and a little deprived at the same time. And then one bad day when you're tired or maybe you're emotional and suddenly you order some extra food. You buy some stuff online that you don't need. You swipe your card for those little treats. And now you swing to the other extreme from strict discipline to total impulse. And then guilt and then self-blame. And then again on a Sunday night. You know, from the first of the next month, I'll be perfect with money. यही cycle चलती रहती है, right, my friend? इसे कहते हैं manual success with money. Now let's talk about automatic success. Automatic का मतलब ये नहीं है कि कोई effort नहीं डालना है. उसका मतलब ये है कि जो आप एफर्ट डाल रहे हैं that is supported by your identity, your beliefs, your emotions and your rituals. मतलब ये चारों चीजें एक ही टीम में होती है. जैसे कि फोन के एग्जांपल ले लो. Think of your phone. On the surface आपको क्या दिखाई देता है ऊपर से? Apps दिखाई देते हैं, notifications, messages, ये सारी चीजें. But if the operating system आपकी फोन की जो है वो अगर outdated है, corrupted है, तो क्या होता है? Apps जो भी है वो crash हो जाते हैं. Battery drain हो जाती है, nothing works smoothly. You know, most people, they try to fix their lives by downloading new apps, new diet plans, new trading courses, new money habits, but they ignore the operating system. I am lazy. I'm not good with money. I always mess up eventually. I only work well under pressure. ये सारी चीजें. So no matter what, how many new apps they keep buying and keep installing, all these apps will keep crashing. Automatic success तब होती है when you upgrade your operating system. So that सबसे पहले आपकी जो आइडेंटिटी होती है underneath, that is, I am the kind of person who finishes what I start. And then आपकी belief जो होती है, I can learn money skills. And then your body starts feeling safe when you look at money. And the last one is your rituals support your goals without you thinking 100 times a day. और जब ये सब चीजें होती है, चारों एक साथ आती है, तब क्या होता है? Your saving becomes natural. Your investing becomes natural. Your studying becomes natural. It doesn't become effortless. It just becomes less effortful. वो दोनों में फर्क होता है. You still work, you still show up, आप मेहनत अभी भी कर रहे हैं, but it feels like the wind is finally at your back instead of in your face. So then, how do you build an automatic money operating system? I'd like to think of it as 4 pillars. 4 पहिए होते हैं. सबसे पहला है आपकी स्टोरी, सेकंड पिलर है आपका स्टेट, थर्ड पिलर है आपके स्टैंडर्ड्स और आपके रिचुअल्स, और फोर्थ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पिलर है आपके सराउंडिंग्स. लेट्स गो वन बाय वन विद सम एग्जांपल्स, वेरी सिंपल वंस. सबसे पहले आपकी मनी स्टोरी की बात करते हैं. योर मनी स्टोरी विल आंसर 3 क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. जस्ट ट्राई टू आंसर देयर. सबसे पहला, ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस लाइन. मनी इज व्हाट फॉर यू. सेकंड इज, People with money are dash. People with money are what for you? और तीसरा, I am with money dash. मैं पैसों के साथ कैसा हूँ? मेरी relationship पैसों के साथ कैसी है? You know, for many of us, the hidden answers are, for example, money is hard, stressful, risky. दूसरा, people with money are greedy, lucky, show off. And तीसरा, I am with money how? I'm careless, I'm unlucky, I'm not good with money. If that is your operating system, आपके apps क्या करने वाले हैं? All that you'll do is you'll avoid looking at money, you'll push away opportunities, you'll sabotage your own progress. A simple upgrade would be to write news stories that are still true, but they're more helpful. For example, money is a tool to move forward. People with money are generous and kind. And I am with money what? I am a student of money and I can improve every single day. You know, you don't have to jump to, oh, I'm a billionaire. हमें वो सब नहीं करना है, इतना बड़ा जंप नहीं लगाना है. Just small, believable upgrades. That was about the first pillar. Now let's go on to the second pillar, जो है आपका state. State मतलब क्या? जो पैसों के बारे में decide करते हो, decisions लेते हो, तो आपका body कौन से state में जाता है? Do you freeze? Do you feel tight in the chest? Do you feel shame? Do you panic? Do you feel anger? What really is happening to your body? Because my friends, you know, the truth is, if your body is in survival mode, you will choose survival decisions. और survival decisions क्या होते हैं? Quick fixes, short-term relief decisions, avoiding the truth वाले decisions. ये automatic money operating system होती है. वो जब हम सीखते हैं, it gives you the state tools कि body state को कैसे manage करते हैं. For example, you know, before you make any big payment, take 3 deep breaths. Connect with the money energy. Put your hand on the heart when you open your banking app. Just try saying, I am safe in this moment. This is just information. I can respond to it. You know, जब आपका state calm होता है, तब आप better actions ले सकते हैं. That's about the state. And now let's go to the third pillar. आपके standards और आपके rituals. You know, standards क्या होते हैं? You know, वो जो बोलते हैं ना, always do this or I never do this. For example, I always track my money once a week. I never invest in something I don't understand. I always sleep before making a big financial decision. ये होते हैं आपके standards और आपके rituals. Rituals वो होते हैं जो छोटे-छोटे repeatable actions होते हैं जो इन standards को support करते हैं. One simple ritual I love for myself is my weekly 20-minute money check-in. Every Sunday evening, you sit with your notebook or with your app or with your laptop, whatever. You look at what money came in, what went out, what changed, and you write one small action for the next week. Done. 3 घंटे नहीं, just 20 minutes. But because it's every week, it becomes automatic. ये होते हैं rituals जो आपको standards को support करते हैं. And then the pillar 4, बहुत ही जरूरी pillar, वो है आपके surroundings. You know, we don't rise only on our willpower. We rise on what is normal around us. आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है? You know, ask yourself, what kind of people do I talk to about money? किनसे मैं पैसों की बात करता हूँ? What kind of content do I consume about money? What does my physical space feel like when I'm making money decisions? You know, if everyone around you keeps saying that market is a gamble, rich people are bad, why are you being so serious about money? ये सब चीजें बोलते हैं ना, तो आपकी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को बहुत ही हार्ड फाइट करनी पड़ती है. बट इफ यू सराउंड योरसेल्फ विद पीपल हु आर लर्निंग मनी स्किल्स, विद कंटेंट दैट टीचेस यू कामली, विद अ क्लीन रिस्पेक्टफुल मनी स्पेस अराउंड यू, लाइक अ टाइडी डेस्क, a clear wallet, green plants everywhere surrounding in your house, clear home environment, ये सब करते हैं ना, तो success starts to feel automatic because you are not the only one moving in that direction. You have people around you who are taking you in that direction. That's the whole difference. तो ये 4 pillars जो है my friends बहुत ही जरूरी है. Now I want to go about a 60-second money reset together जो हम साथ में अभी करेंगे, right? And once this feels fine with you, you can keep continuing doing this every time. So right now if you can just please close your eyes. और अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो, पब्लिक में हो, तो बस अपने गेज सॉफ्टन कर दीजिए. Just relax. Take a deep breath in and out. I want you to bring to your mind कोई एक एरिया आपके जीवन का that feels very manual right now. ऐसा लग रहा है बस वहाँ पे बहुत प्रेशर बिल्ड हो रहा है, बहुत धक्के लगाने पड़ रहे हैं. It could be anything. It could be your saving habit, your investing habit, your debt, your income. See where you feel like you're pushing the boulder uphill. बहुत stress लग रहा है. Think about that area. And I want you to notice how your body reacts when you think about it. कैसे feel हो रहा है आपको अपने शरीर में? Do you feel tight? Do you feel heavy? Or do you feel tired? How does that feel? Just take a couple of seconds, dive into that feeling right now. Keep your eyes closed. And now, gently say this in your mind. I am allowed to make this easier. Once again, I am allowed to make this easier. One more time. I am allowed to make this easier. Beautiful. Take one more deep breath in and release. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. You know, my friend, that one sentence is the beginning of an operating system upgrade, because you're giving yourself permission to shift from pure willpower to better stories, better states, better standards, and better surroundings. If you felt even 1% lighter just now, imagine doing this kind of work for hours with proper tools, community, and guidance. That's exactly what we do inside our live masterclass. We don't just give you affirmations, we help you rewrite your money story. We help you regulate your state, कैसे कर सकते हैं आप. We help you design your own standards and rituals and help you build surroundings that support your next level. So if you're ready to stop living in manual mode with money and start installing your automatic money operating system, click in the description and join the next live masterclass. और याद रखिए my friends, success is not a personality trait. It is an operating system that you are allowed to upgrade. Thank you so much for listening, guys. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.